How's it going, guys? It's Dylan. In this episode, I'll be installing my rear control arms purchased from eBay and disassembling the differential so I can send it off to get welded. And I hope you enjoy this video. I paid a total of $180, including shipping, for all of the arms. The welds on them are meh. Build quality seemed to be okay for the price. If you're interested in a comparison video, I'll post a link showing the comparison of our stock arms, ISR arms, and these arms. As far as brakes, I'm just running the stock S13 brake with new pads and rotors. And I bought energy suspension polyurethane bushings for $60 and installed those. Also in another video, I painted the subframe if you wanted to see that one. Now onto disassembling the differential. I have ABS in my car, so that's why I have that plug on my diff housing. Also, when you're draining a diff, you want to take out the check plug for diff plug. And on the last bolt, be sure to catch the cover. I spin the diff just to get as much oil as I can out of there. Now you're going to want to lightly tap the shafts and rotate them as you hit them, and they should slide out pretty easily. After that, you're going to take off the brackets that hold the diff in place. Now I had to hit mine with a hammer because they were kind of caked on there from 160,000 miles, I guess. When you pull them out, be sure to hold on to the sides because those caps fall off. I just use my impact to get that gear off the diff. And I have a rotor that I bought that didn't fit my brakes. So I'm just going to cut a piece of metal off of that so I don't have to buy anything. And this turned out to be a bigger pain in the ass than I thought it'd be, but I'll just cut all that crap out. And I used a bunch of brake cleaner and degreaser to get the differential cleaned up for the welder. And after all that grinding and cutting, I'm left with a couple pieces of metal that I can place between the gears to have them weld around it. And it should make for a sturdier welded diff. sure you've seen it before. A lot of people have done that when they weld their discs. My girlfriend's dad works at a shop where he can get it welded for free, so I'm going to take advantage of that because I don't own a welder. And that is it for this video. Let me know if you want to see longer or shorter videos. I'm not sure what to do because I was going to make a long video and then decided just to cut it in half because it's going to be about 15 minutes. Just comment below and let me know if you'd like longer or shorter videos, and I'll adjust accordingly. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and see you next week.